A not guilty verdict reached today in the second trial of Karen Reed. She was charged in the death of her boyfriend, who was a Boston police officer. Bradley Blackburn has more now on a case that became a true crime obsession.
As the not guilty verdict was read inside a Massachusetts courthouse, outside, Karen Reed supporters erupted in cheers. Reed spoke to them a short time later.
I could not be standing here without these amazing supporters who have supported me and my team financially and, more importantly, emotionally for almost 4 years.
Not guilty.
The jury of 7 women and 5 men did not find Reed guilty of second-degree murder in the death of her Boston police officer boyfriend, but she was convicted of a lesser drunk driving charge. Reed was accused of striking John O'Keefe with her SUV and leaving him for dead in the snow in 2022.
No one has fought harder for justice for John O'Keefe than I have.
The prosecution's first case against Reed ended in a mistrial. This time around, Reed's lawyers did not try to offer an alternative culprit, but used what's called a Bowden defense.
Hey, this is the police investigation that was so substandard, you can't possibly find her guilty, which is a very different argument than he went in the house and was killed there.
Jurors heard differing testimony about O'Keefe's injuries.
The bones in the right arm were intact.
And prosecutors pointed out inconsistencies from the last trial to this one.
At trial last year, do you remember saying it was 5:30?
I did.
And today you had said about 6:15.
Yes.
It ultimately came down to credibility with the jurors.
There is no evidence that John was hit by a car.
She got drunk. She hit him. She left him to die.
The judge sentenced Reed to 1 year probation after the verdict was announced. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News.